Guys, so I'm in the store. A pineapple, some fruit, some eggs, some veggies, some sausage, and I have to get contact solution and then I'll be out of here. So this day I was in BJ's and BJ's Wholesale Club. If you aren't a member, it's a good investment. I really do find a lot of the things that I purchase in bulk from this store, and I feel like it's a better price than sometimes going to the regular market. And I forget what I was looking for at this particular time, but I did, get my stuff and I checked out. And then the next day, on Tuesday, I stopped by Michael's and I was just checking out those pictures. They had some really nice spring florals, spring decor. They also still had a lot of Christmas decor. It was 80% off, so that's what you see me here looking at. And again, they still got that buffalo plaid. They had that stuff everywhere. But I was just taking a look, browsing through their, their store just to see what I needed and any other things that I could find, and just checking out, like I said, what they had on sale. Here I was just taking a look at the poster boards, and again they had their Easter stuff out, so it was just a really good trip. They also had a really good selection of greenery. They had some trees. I am looking for a nice realistic faux plant, but I don't want to spend like $1,000 because they can be pretty pricey. They had these beautiful stems with flowers, with lights in them, and those are really nice picks. I could see adding that to an arrangement. I was also looking for a nice spring wreath for my front door, and I was trying to see if I could find anything that just really stood out to me. Unfortunately, I didn't, but they really did have, like I said, a nice selection of spring decor. They have beautiful wreaths there, but it was nothing that was like, oh, I really, really like this. And if you guys don't know, if you're new here, that has been my motto for my home, for my life in general. Only buying stuff, purchasing things if I really love it, not just purchasing things just because, or well, this is what's left, but buying it because I really love it and I want it to be, an impactful part of my home. Hi guys, so I just got finished filming my video that's going up tomorrow. I just got finished filming that because when I was looking over the vlog footage, maybe I should just be quiet because clearly I can't talk today. I was just going over the vlog footage and I realized I don't even have enough to make a full week's worth because I did kind of start late. So I just went on and filmed the video that I was planning for Tuesday, and then I'll just put the vlog up on Tuesday. So I'm waiting for hubby to get in. I took off my filming stuff, put on my nice cozy robe. I'm going to go ahead and edit that, but I found these cute little hearts. I'm all about heart stuff, but I found these at Target and I thought they were so cute. And so, we like to make little snacks and stuff, and then I'm like, I can always reuse this. So I'm not a big fan of Reese's, so I'll probably just do a regular chocolate chip and give these to hubby because I know he likes Reese's. So yeah, I'm going to make these for us, and then what else I'm gonna do? I'm making some tea right now because tea is life. I love me a good cup of tea, so I'm making some tea right now. And then I'm going to go ahead and, once that finishes, I'm going to go ahead and edit. And then I'll be going to bed. Hopefully I won't be up too late. It just depends. I don't feel like this video should be long to edit because I didn't do any eyeshadow or anything. So there's not a lot of trying to speed it up. Or yeah, I'm going to fix my tea because, your girl needs her tea. I put my cup in the microwave because I had some and I just was like, I want a fresh cup. So I'll go ahead and make that. So you guys, tell me, how do you feel about, I always say comparison is the thief of joy. Meaning that, you know, like everybody posted, like, you know, their stuff and what they did for Valentine's Day and, you know, what have you. But then I've seen like so many people saying like, oh, it must be nice. I wish I had that, or it's probably not gonna, like, how do you feel about that? Because I'm going to elaborate on how I feel about that. I feel like, you know, it's no harm in being happy for someone else if it's their time, and that your blessing may be connected to how you respond. So if you're like, oh, my friend got, I don't know, she got a new car, or my friend got a raise or promotion, or whatever the case is, and you're like, must be nice. Like, first of all, are you really that person's friend? And second of all, like, your time is coming. And I've heard it said that, you know, when someone, you know, is blessed by you, your neighbor is blessed, you should be happy and praising God with them, because that means he's in the neighborhood. So if he's over here blessing your friend, blessing your family member, you know, he's coming right down in the neighborhood. Everyone that's connected, and you're connected, he's gonna bless you too. So having just that sense of like, you know, God, you gonna work it out. I don't know how, I don't know when, I don't know where, but you gonna work it out. I'm gonna have faith, and I'm gonna leave it in your hands. Like, I think my faith has gotten me through so many things that I felt like were going to break me. Like, here's Megan, she's broken, you know, and to come out on the other side when you don't think you are, like, you can't help but to be thankful and be grateful and just really understand that, like, it really is, at the end of the day, your will and not mine, Lord. And that while you're busy coveting someone else's blessing, you know, you could be messing up your own. Hey guys, so it's Friday. I'm gonna wash my hair, wash my extensions, do all that, and do something good to eat, and then I'm gonna get in bed because I have the worst headache and I don't know why. I don't know what's going on. And that's what my plans are for today. Nothing really like woo exciting, but I'm excited about that plan. I still have on my lashes. So if you haven't seen my latest video, I will link that below, but I did a DIY lash extensions using the Press-on Falsies by Kiss, and I really like them. Like I said, it looks like your lash but better. Like just a little bit more heightened, and I really like them for their natural look. So yeah, like I said, perfect for like a quick makeup, a no makeup look, or even no makeup at all. But yeah, I'm gonna do that, and then I guess I'll check in with you guys later, just depending on how I feel. If not, I'll see you guys on Saturday, tomorrow, and Sunday I have a client, so I'm gonna be doing that. And then I don't know what I have planned. Tomorrow is my parents' wedding anniversary, so that's exciting. I'm gonna go see them for a bit, and then that's about it. So I'll catch you guys later. So on Sunday, I told you I had 2 clients, and I got to glam up this beauty. It was for her birthday. Her makeup turned out so great, and she really loved it. She was really pleasant, and I just really enjoyed it. I really was pleased with how the look turned out. She wanted a smoky eye, and that's what she got. And yeah, happy birthday, girl. I hope you had a great one. I hope you really enjoyed yourself and enjoyed your dinner with your friends. And the next client I had, she was also a friend, and you know, she's booked with me before, We were trying to get pictures right before she ran out the door, so that's why we don't have a close-up, but her makeup turned out really well, and I was so happy with it as well. So yes, thanks for tuning in to my channel. Go ahead and give this video a like, and go ahead and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.